So we've already looked at a series circuit where the current has to go through all three light bulbs. Now we're going to try something different. First, let's pause our simulation. We are going to try to make a parallel circuit. What this means is that the current will have the choice to go through any one of the three light bulbs. Now to get started, first thing I'm going to do is to split all my junctions to put my light bulbs in kind of the same place. So I'm going to take all of these and just break them up to make it a little bit easier to see what I'm going to do. Let's just remove that wire. So what I'd like is from this point to be able to go down to this light bulb, or to this light bulb, or to this light bulb. Well, it's pretty easy to do this on a simulation. We don't need to get tons and tons of wires. But what I'm going to do is connect this one straight down. So when I get to this point, I can go down to this light bulb, or I can continue over. From this point, again, I want to be able to go either down or continue over. And then at the end, I don't have any choice. I'm only going to be able to go down. From each of the bottoms of the light bulbs, I need to get back to the circuit again. So I need to give a wire to connect each one. Now I have a closed circuit, so this will flow, but these two light bulbs aren't really connected. There's no way for the current to actually go through them. So if I were to turn my circuit on now, it would look just like the original with one light bulb on. If I press play, we're back to 1.2 amps, which is what we started with, and it looks like a normal circuit. But if I add my wire in and connect these extra light bulbs, something kind of strange happens. You would expect that because I'm putting three light bulbs on the same battery, that they would all get dim, just like they did when it was a series circuit. But when I press play, they are all pretty bright. In fact, my amplitude, or my current, has actually gone up. I have 3.6 amps now instead of 1.2. How is that possible? I have three light bulbs, but somehow less resistance than when I started with only one. Just by simply changing how this circuit is laid out, I can really affect the current and how it behaves.